Welcome to the next evolution in agriculture, where innovation meets tradition to preserve your harvest at its peak. Are you tired of seeing your record-breaking harvests go to waste because of unpredictable weather? You're not alone. Thankfully, there's a solution. Traditional drying methods have fallen short, impacting your bottom line and depleting vital nutrients. But fear not. Industrial desiccation is here to change the game. Imagine turning your perishable surplus into high-value, shelf-stable exports, all with the science of precision dehydration. What if you could trap in the peak freshness of your harvest for years? With advanced thermodynamics, we synchronize high-velocity airflow with humidity-controlled chambers to master large-scale preservation. This isn't mere drying, it's a technological revolution, maximizing resource efficiency and creating massive export potential. The most successful agricultural businesses have left weather-reliant methods in the dust. They've embraced sophisticated agro-industrial dehydration techniques to stabilize their surpluses on a grand scale. Curious about transforming seasonal waste into a treasure trove of nutrient-rich inventory? Subscribe, like, and share this video, and don't forget to visit www.fortisinvicta.com to discover more about this groundbreaking solution. Thank you for watching.